Get ready, Fast and Furious enthusiasts. Vin Diesel, the charismatic star of the franchise, has just dropped an exciting update about the highly anticipated sequel to Fast X. In a recent Instagram post, Diesel shared some thrilling news that is guaranteed to send fans into a frenzy. The talented screenwriter Zach Dean is currently hard at work crafting the script for Fast 11, and this isn't his first rodeo with the Fast movies. He also had a hand in penning Fast X. Now, I know you're all on the edge of your seats, eagerly waiting to see how Dominic Toretto's epic storyline unfolds after the last film's jaw-dropping cliffhanger. Well, you won't have to wait much longer. The next installment is already in pre-production and is set to hit theaters on April 4, 2025. However, as we all know, creating a high-octane Fast movie is no small feat. The script is still a work in progress, and the intricate process of bringing this adrenaline-fueled adventure to life on the big screen is a monumental task. So, there's a slight chance that the release date might shift in the coming months as the team works their magic. But fear not, my friends. Vin Diesel himself is brimming with enthusiasm and laser-focused on the future of both his character, Dominic Toretto, and the entire Toretto operation. In a heartfelt message to his dedicated fans, Diesel assures us that Fast X Part 2, masterfully crafted by Zach Dean, will leave a lasting impact and make us incredibly proud. Brace yourselves as the upcoming film tackles the immense challenge of resolving the havoc wreaked by Jason Momoa's villain, with an unexpected assist from none other than the electrifying Dwayne Johnson, who made a surprise appearance in the last movie's climactic moments. And guess what? Director Leterrier, the visionary behind the previous film, is back in the driver's seat for Fast 11, ensuring a seamless continuation of the thrilling story. However, as with any blockbuster production, there have been some bumps along the road. Writers and actors' strikes have posed challenges, making the 2025 release date a bit of a long shot. But hey, good things come to those who wait, right? Vin Diesel has been dropping tantalizing hints on social media, promising that what's coming in Fast 11 is nothing short of awe-inspiring. He's bubbling with excitement for the grand finale and acknowledges the extraordinary impact of fan enthusiasm and passion on the franchise's enduring success and evolution. In Diesel's eyes, this isn't just an ending. It's a monumental celebration of the incredible family that has been forged through the Fast movies. So buckle up, Fast aficionados. The wait may be long, but the journey promises to be epic. Get ready to join Vin Diesel and the entire Fast family for one last exhilarating ride that will leave you breathless and proud to be a part of this global phenomenon. April 4, 2025, can't come soon enough.